This 2021 KZ Connect SE 312 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used KZ is 36 feet 9 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 10, Colorado Detector, leveling jacks, microwave, oven, skylight, awning, refrigerator, smoke detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 KZ Connect SE 312 BHK is 7,260 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.